Scheduling an appointment with the doctor.
Hello, I would like to make a doctor's appointment.
Hello. What seems to be the problem?
I have a sore throat. It's been bothering me for a few days.
I see. Can you come in on Tuesday or Wednesday?
Tuesday is best for me.
Okay. I have an opening at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We'll see you then. Checking in at the clinic.
Hello, I have an appointment at 10 a.m.
Hello. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Adam.
Thank you. Do you have your ID or your insurance card with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I see your appointment is with Dr. Smith.
Yes, that's right.
Please take a seat in the waiting area. The doctor will see you shortly.
Will I have to wait long?
About 10 minutes, I think.
That's fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Describing a general illness.
Hi. What's the problem?
I feel terrible. I have a headache and a sore throat.
Do you also have a cough?
Yes, I have a cough and I sneeze a lot.
Do you have a fever?
I think so. I feel hot and cold all the time.
How long have you had these symptoms?
They started about a day ago.
It sounds like you might have the flu.
That's what I was worried about.
I'll check your temperature and run a quick test to be sure.
Okay.
I'll give you some medicine to help with the symptoms.
Thank you.
Make sure to take it as directed, get plenty of rest, and drink lots of fluids.
Got it. I'll do that.
Describing a specific illness.
What's wrong today?
I have a terrible stomach ache.
When did it start?
This morning?
Do you feel sick?
Yes, I feel sick, and I keep vomiting.
Did you eat anything unusual yesterday?
Yes, I think I ate something bad last night.
Okay, I think you have a minor food poisoning.
Describing an injury or pain.
What's the problem?
I have some pain in my knee.
How long have you had the pain?
It started about 3 days ago. It's getting worse.
Can you show me the area of the pain?
It hurts right here.
Does it hurt when I press here?
Ouch! Yes, it hurts.
Okay, it seems you have a little inflammation.
Arriving at the emergency room.
Excuse me, I need to see a doctor. It's urgent.
What is the problem? Can you tell me what's wrong?
I feel very ill. I have a high fever and I feel sick. It started a few hours ago.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I feel very weak and my head hurts a lot.
Okay, please fill out this form with your basic information and have a seat in the waiting area.
Thank you. Will I have to wait long? I feel awful.
The doctor is currently with a patient, but someone will see you as soon as they are available. It should not be a very long wait.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Discussing a prescription and instructions.
Okay, I will give you a prescription for some medicine to help with the inflammation.
Thank you. How should I take it?
You should take 1 pill 3 times a day with your meals. It is very important to take all of them.
1 pill 3 times a day. For how long?
For 7 full days, even if you start to feel better.
I understand. Are there any side effects I should know about?
You may feel a little tired or drowsy. It's a common side effect. Because of this, it's best not to drive while you are taking this medicine.
Oh, okay. What if I forget to take a pill?
Just take it as soon as you remember, but don't take a double dose.
Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. If you have any problems, please call us.
I will. Thank you again.
Discussing a chronic condition.
Hello, please come in. How do you feel today?
Hello, doctor. I feel a little better now.
That's good to hear. What about your headache? Is it gone completely?
No, I still have a headache, but it is not as bad as before.
And what about your sore throat?
The sore throat is much better. It doesn't hurt when I swallow anymore.
Did you have any other symptoms? What about your cough?
Yes, I still cough a little, but it's much better.
That's great. It seems the medicine is working. You should continue to rest for another day or so.
Do you think I'll be okay to go back to work tomorrow?
Yes, I think you will be okay. Just be sure to take it easy.
Okay. Thank you very much, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care.
Filling a prescription at the pharmacy.
Hello. I'd like to have this prescription filled, please.
Have you taken this medicine before?
No, I haven't.
You have to take 1 pill every day for 2 weeks.
What about side effects?
You may feel drowsy. Don't drive when you take this medicine.
Okay, when can I pick it up?
It will be ready at 3 p.m.
Thank you.
Asking for a recommendation from the pharmacist.
Hello. I am not feeling well. I have a cough and a headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you had this?
For 2 days. It's a bad cold.
Okay. I can recommend some cough syrup and some pills for the headache.
That would be great. How should I take them?
The cough syrup is 1 spoon 3 times a day. The pills are 1 pill every 4 hours.
Thank you very much.